Welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, guys. Tonight I'm here with my friend Liam, and he is going to be helping to take this 1-inch square stock of 4140. We're going to be cutting about 4 inches out of this, throw it in the forge that's getting hot, and we're going to start forging a hammer eye punch. We're going to be doing that in tandem striking and directing. Let's give this a shot and see how tonight goes. Alright, so we've taken a few heats on the hammer eye punch. For some reason the camera's kind of been finicky. Switched out the batteries. Hopefully this one will last. So let's take it to the forge and start hitting some hot steel. No,
damn cold.
Alright, yep.
See. Good.
That's better. Okay. Yep. 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 There we go. There is plug number 2, folks.
Little boy here.
Don't touch it.
I would not. So there's a nice hole right through the middle there.
And that's the plug right in it. And a straight through hole.
Perfect.
Let's heat it up again and keep pounding away. Tapered the back of the punch, and now I'm just going to hit the flatten it out. So there's one side, we're going to flip it around and start drawing out the actual punch of it. Liam, what do you think of using the power hammer for the first time?
It's kind of a lot of work, but like once you get the feel for the pedal, it kind of works out to be a little bit better, and you get the feel for how it grabs and goes. A lot more pressure does equal a lot more force. Big piece of machinery.
Definitely makes swinging the hammer a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Liam over helping me, which is why we also ended up making a few other tools as well. This is a 3/4 inch hammer fullering tool that we made as well. Make sure to go check that video out. This is to help pull out the cheeks of the hammer eye. So tonight we managed to make the tool to actually punch them, as well as the hammer fullering tool to pull them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, click like as well, and comment what you thought. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you in the next one, folks.